Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 15 is ready, check software update, and install any pending iOS release. Once done, enable notifications and live activities so the dynamic island can display ongoing info. Next, open a compatible app like music or timers to activate the island. You'll see it animate in the status area. Make sure focus modes aren't blocking notifications, because that will stop live activities from appearing. Now you're set to interact with the dynamic island. Now you learn to control the dynamic island directly. Tap a compact item to expand it and reveal controls, or press and hold for additional actions. Swipe to clear transient alerts. To customize which apps can use the island, go into Settings and adjust notifications and live activities per app, making sure essential apps are permitted. Because the dynamic island surfaces live content, apps like Maps, Music, and Rideshare will show persistent info. Once configured, you'll get real-time updates without unlocking the phone. To complete setup, test by starting a timer or playing music and observe the dynamic island behavior. Make small interactions to learn response timing. If the island doesn't update, enable background app refresh for the app, then restart your iPhone. This often resolves sync issues. If that fails, toggle live activities off and back on in Settings and update the app from the App Store, because many fixes come from app updates. One key tip: restarting the phone usually clears transient display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.